Today, the 11th of November, we bow our heads in silence for the brave hearts who never came home. From the islands of Fiji to the battlefields afar, we remember you always. From Suva shores to war's distant cry, our sons and daughters marched under the sky, with courage burning deep in their chest. They fought for peace, they gave their best. In jungle rays and desert sand, they carried Fiji's flag by hand. Through pain and fear they found their way, so we could live in peace today. Yes, we forget, lest we forget the brave, the true. Their sacrifice still carries through. For every tear a mother cried, a hero's spirit never died. From sea to sea, from heart to heart, their memory will never part.
Oh, Fiji stands, her flag held high.
We salute you
Who dare to die?
Some rest beneath the foreign rain, their names carved deep in stone and pain. But in our hearts they breathe anew, in red and white and ocean blue. The bugle calls, the silence grows, the poppy blooms where their spirit flows. Old soldiers stand with trembling hand, remembering brothers from distant land.
Lest we forget,
oh, lest we forget,
lest we forget.
the battles fade but not their name.
Their courage burns eternal flame.
Lest we forget,
Lest we forget,
oh, lest we forget,
lest we forget. Oh, lest we forget.
the brave, the true Fiji sons, we honor you.
Your stories live,
Your spirits rise in every dawn and crimson sky. We'll hold the line, we'll play our part, with love for you in every heart. Oh, Fiji stands forever proud. We remember you, we say it loud. To every veteran, to every soldier still standing tall, Vinaka, vakalevu, for your courage, your service, your love for our land. Fiji remembers always.
who dare to forget.
Lest we forget.